Orange mint is a cultivar of Mentha piperita, making it a relative of peppermint. Mint herbs are native to the Mediterranean region but have been naturalized first throughout Europe and then through the world. Mint has been prized for much of the recorded human history with the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. The Egyptians used the herb as a digestive aid while the Greeks and Romans used it for flavoring in sauces and wines. People from Iceland chewed it for whitening teeth around the 13th century, which is the origin of mint flavor being used to freshen the breath. A delicious culinary herb, orange mint has green, branching stems tinged with red that reach 2 feet high. White and pink flowers and short spikes bloom from mid to late summer. An aromatic herb that is very fragrant with a delicious citrus-like scent. Highly aromatic orange mint tends to be stronger in flavor than many other varieties of mint, with notes of citrus and spice with lavender undertones. Its aromatic properties are enhanced when bruised. They grow and pair well with a long list of other garden plants: oregano, marigolds, carrots, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, tomatoes, eggplants, peas, and beans. Mint is a double-edged sword in the garden. Pair well with many plants, but also crowding out others such as lavender, rosemary, sage, and thyme. Plant orange mint with plants that have tall or wide growth habits and enjoy lots of sun. Like other mint varieties, orange mint is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as trace amounts of micronutrients and minerals. Its essential oils have a long list of medicinal uses, including healing effects for nausea, cramping, and indigestion.